Once again, The Simpsons forecast the price of a Shiba Inu in March 2022. This dark horse has gone viral on Twitter, and the Shiba Inu community is extremely excited. The Simpsons have a long and rich history of accurately predicting important future events. The Simpsons is a television phenomenon, having aired for 31 seasons and counting. The critically lauded cartoon is widely acknowledged as one of, if not the finest sitcoms of all time, for its witty parody of everything from politics and pop culture to regular family life. It is both the longest-running American comedy and animated program. The Simpsons have been running for almost 30 years, so some themes that crop up in the show might inevitably occur in real life. But some of the plot lines are close to events that have happened throughout the world, sometimes precise. People are well aware of The Simpsons' stellar record of prophecy, and social media is exploding with rumors that the Shiba Inu price surge was prophesized by The Simpsons. But how do Simpsons predict Shiba Inu's price? People on social media and fans have claimed to see the Shiba Inu coin's logo alongside other crypto symbols such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Whiteboard in The Simpsons. And the next is a scene from the show in which the main character of the show, Homer, the patriarch of the Simpsons family, is seen reading a newspaper with a heading, "Funny Dog to Make Life Worthwhile," which many argue is a reference to Shiba Inu. This episode, titled Frank Coin, aired in February of last year, and it shows Professor Frank, a character from the show, creating a cryptocurrency that makes him the richest man alive, and people assuming him as a portrayal of Elon Musk. So the Musk effect ignites when Elon Musk nicknamed the Shiba as people's crypto. Shiba Inu's market price grabbed a new speed, causing a 1,000 increase in a year. These can be different phenomena, but when they come from The Simpsons, fans of the show are unlikely to dismiss them as such. Rather, they'll be lured to the Shiba Inu because of The Simpsons' historic notoriety for prediction.